Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. This is the Steelseries Arctis 3 console. It is a wired gaming headset, and for a budget headset, it packs a whole lot of premium quality and performance. Like always, I'm going to be using the headset for the voiceover of this video so you can hear what the microphone sounds like. Are you ready? Let's go. The headband and the rest of the headset is made with quality plastic. It's smooth with a matte finish, very pleasant feel. The design of the headset is very familiar but different and very personalized. It is in two parts. One is the plastic band that is sturdy and a bit flexible. It ends on both sides into a 90-degree hinge that holds the ear cups. The second part is a ski goggle headband type material that can be adjusted. It's familiar because a lot of headbands are designed this way. It's different because unlike the headbands that adjust by a spring and strap system, you have to adjust the ski goggle strap to fit you just as you want it, personalizing it to your head shape. If someone else was to use it, they would have to adjust it to suit them. The downside though is that the ski goggle strap might be limiting depending on the size of your head. You might just have to take it off. All in all, it's super lightweight, very comfortable, and no grip tension. The design of the ear cup is simple and elegant. Just the Steelseries logo and name behind the ear cups. No lights, no aesthetics. Sometimes aesthetics distract from the fact that some devices are just, for lack of a better word, trash. I like the cylindrical shape of the ear cups. They are large enough to cover your ears completely. The earmuffs are soft and wrapped with a mesh fabric. The fabric allows for airflow, so no sweating around your ear. The soft earmuffs allow for comfort if you're going to wear them for a long time. And for the sound production of the speakers, wow, premium sound for a budget price. It's clear, it's crisp, great bass, no distortion at any level of volume, awesome for FPS gaming. I would give the speakers a strong 8 out of 10. There's almost no outside noise coming through when you have the earmuffs completely covering your ears. Steelseries Arctis 3 console uses a pull-out ClearCast noise cancelling bidirectional microphone. It's flexible so you can bend it into any position that suits you, and if you don't want it in your face, just push it back into the ear cup. The noise cancelling from this microphone is amazing. It is the same used by aircraft carrier deck crews. At the beginning of this video, I said I'll be using the microphone of this headset for the voiceover, so as you hear my voice, you be the judge of its quality. Oh, FYI, I have the air conditioner on, so there's a bit of a hum in the background. Tell me in the comment section if you can hear it. Controls are located behind the left ear cup. They include a mic on and off button, a volume scroll, a proprietary cable port, and the audio sharing port. Now let me say this. I've always said that I prefer the inline control over the on-ear control because I find it a hassle operating the controls from behind the ear cup. Now that's not to say the headset is bad because of that, neither does it mean that everyone must like what I like. That's just me mentioning my preferences, which I expect to be different from that of other people. I think it was necessary that I make that clear so I don't come across as being biased. Now, let's get back to it. Audio cable is a proprietary cable that ends the 3.5mm jack. You can use this headset on any gaming device. This edition doesn't come with a Y audio splitter, so if you need to use it on a device that requires one, that will be an extra cost for you. But don't fret, it's not expensive. One issue I have though is the fact that the audio cable isn't very long and it's a proprietary cable and wouldn't be readily available if your cable craps out. You would have to go through Steelseries to get the cable if you don't find it elsewhere. In summary, the Steelseries Arctis 3 console is simply premium quality in budget prices. It's sturdy, lightweight, love the build and texture, superior sound production, and mighty comfortable. Worth every cent. I am super impressed. This headset deserves the T.O.B stamp of approval. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Remember to like the video, share them across your social media platforms. For more videos like this, look through the playlist. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. I'll be looking out for your comments in the comment section. Until next time, take care.